Video will be solving the problem largest time for given graphs. This problem has appeared in September LeetCoding channel, so let's get started. So in this problem we are given 4 digits and we have to return the largest 24-hour time that can be made from these digits. So it may be possible that we are not able to create a valid time. In that case we have to return an empty string. So for example, the given input is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the digits given are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for this given example, we can create a lot of different times. So one time can be 12:34 or it can be 23:14 or it can be 23:41 and so on and so forth. So from all those times that can be created from these digits, we have to return the greatest one. So this should be the answer. So for another example, suppose we are given 5555. We cannot create any valid time, so we will be returning empty string. So what we can do in this problem is we can create all the permutations of the digits. We can create all the permutations of the digits, and out of all the valid ones we can find the largest one that can be created. So out of all the valid times, find the largest one. So what is a valid time? So a valid time is anything that has minutes less than 24 times 60. So and also the hours are less than 24 and minutes are less than 60. So all these are the valid times. What is the largest time? The largest time is the time for which the elapsed minutes are largest. So let's suppose there are two times t1 and t2 and elapsed times since 0000 to t1 is x and from t2 it is y. So if elapsed minutes in y are greater than x, we can say that t2 is greater. So that's all for the approach of this problem, and this approach will always work because we are creating all the permutations. So let's see how we can code this one. So in this code, what we are doing is we are creating all the permutations of the numbers. If a number is not being used, what we are doing is we can add that at the end of the running answer, and in the base condition we are just checking if the running answer is valid, is a valid time, and it is less than the global answer. So at the end the answer will be maximum. So for valid, you can see that the length of the string must be equal to 5 and the number of hours must be less than 24, number of minutes must be less than 60, and total time elapsed since 0000 must be less than 24 times 60. For get, and we have another function get minutes which returns us the number of minutes that has elapsed since 0. So number of hours multiplied by 60 plus number of minutes. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked this one. See you in the another one. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.